There's the Duomo. Just in the Bell Tower, Florence. There's the Duomo. Hills of Florence. Alright. Okay. Off we go up the stairs. It's only 414 steps to get up this tower. Yeah. That was huge. You get these huge lines of steps. Alright, next level. Whew. There we go. That's the Lazio Vecchio over there. The views get better. Alright, are we at the top? I don't think so. Whew. Just climbed all that way. Okay. Not sure if I'm at the top yet. I don't think so. Alright. Let's have a look.
C'est presque ce qu'on a déjà vu.
Excuse-moi. Let's go down the level. Oh, no long staircase this time. Things getting narrower. Ah, okay. There's the long staircase. Right. At least it's sectioned up, so you get a rest each level. Alright, are we at the top yet? Are we at the top? I don't think so. Big bell. We are not at the top. This thing is tall. Right, last one, I think. Last one. Oh yeah, okay. It's a long one. Hello. Nearly. Hi. Alright. Is that the top? Alright. I hope. Aye, aye, aye. Okay, nearly. All right. Okay, top. I think it's the top. Yeah. Oh, damn it, the cupola is higher. Cupola is slightly higher. But oh god, this is still pretty high. Oh, excuse me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Lots of hills around Florence, eh? Yeah. Oh. Oh, big lightning conductor on the top. There we go, view around Florence. Okay, there's the square with the big arch, and there is a